You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this girl's name of Yiddish origin, or let's say Hebrew, meaning beautiful or old and ancient. A lily rose. God is gracious. The most common pronunciation in English is as Shaina. How do you pronounce it yourself? Some may pronounce it also as Shaina. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments. Let everybody know. Most common pronunciation, English pronunciation, Shaina. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.